Hi guys, this is Sadik from Rodman.com, and now I'll be sharing the 12th keybox file with you. Using the 12th keybox file, you could easily pass all the 3 tests, the basic, the device, and more importantly the strong test. You will now pass all the 3 tests. You just have to use the keybox file, and apart from that, here are the steps. So first you have to obtain root on your phone. If you are using Magis for rooting, then please use the Magis Canary build and not the Sable or the Beta build. Once you obtain root by the Magis Canary build, you will now have to enable Zygis in Magis as well. So go to the Magis settings, enable Zygis from here. If you are using the, let's say, Apache or kernel SU, then you have to first flash the Zygis next module to enable Zygis, and once that is done, your next course of action is to flash the following 5 modules: the LS4 framework, the Shamiko module, Play Integrity, Zygis Assistant, and Tricky Store. Install all the 5 modules, and after enabling Zygis and flashing all the 5 modules, you'll have to do a restart as well. So please restart your phone and then verify that you are getting yes under Zygis and all the 5 modules are up and running. Once you flash all the 5 modules, you will then have to install a FileManager app which supports root. So this is the one which I am currently using, the Solid FileManager app. It supports root, and apart from that, you have to use the Play Integrity API checker app to check if you are passing the strong test or not. So install the app from Play Store. Once you've got all these apps and you flash the mod as well, now you have to launch the Solid FileManager app and open it and tap on the root directory. You will get a Magis request. Tap on hit allow or OK or grant in the prompt. Once that is done, you will now have to go to the data ADB Tricky Store, and now you have to transfer this keybox file inside this location. So for example, when I give you the keybox file, you will keep the keybox file in the internal storage. This is the internal memory. Let me show you internal memory, and the keybox file is placed over here. Let's say I mail you the file by Gmail and you get the file over here. So you have to now copy the file from here, enable auto rotate on your phone, and you will get 2 windows. In the first window, go to data ADB Tricky Store. In the second window is the internal memory. Now copy the file from here, and inside this location simply hit the paste button. You will get a prompt, tap on new, and you have now got the new keybox file over here in the Tricky Store directory. Once that is done, just restart your phone and your task stands complete. After a restart, install the Play Integrity API checker app, and please make sure you are online. Then tap on this app, tap on check, and you will now pass all the 3 tests as you could see. So just to recap, you have to obtain root by Apache kernel SU or Magis. In case of Magis, if the Magis Canary build, then enable Zygis from the Magis, flash all the 5 modules, install these 2 apps, and then transfer the keybox file that I will share with you inside the data ADB Tricky Store. Tap on yes and do a restart, and that's just about it. Now if you want to get the keybox file, you must simply open this link and go to my guide. This is the new guide, and from here simply drop in your request in the email via the comments, and I will then email you the file. I cannot host the file on any third-party service because it will then be in the eyes of you know who, and they will then patch the file very easily. So I will not share the file on that. I will simply personally email the files. So I have till now emailed around close to 3 or 4K files, the keybox file as you could see over here. So it takes some time, and I am the only one sharing the files manually for each email ID, and I also have to maintain my website and the channel YouTube. So sharing the file might take some time. Please be patient. And someone has also told me to share the files, or rather make the file paid, because only then the file will be used in a more secure way. Otherwise anyone will start using the file, but I will not make the file paid any time whatsoever. The file is and will always be free to use for everyone. I will never make the file paid. So you must simply drop in the request in the comments of this guide, and then I will share the file. The only thing is that you might have to wait for a few days because it takes quite a lot of time and effort to share the files, but that's just about it. The file is and will always be free for all. It will never be paid. So keep this point in mind. And apart from that, if you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching.